Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. Let's talk about 10 ChatGPT life hacks that you need. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Number one, we have instant summary, and you can use ChatGPT to quickly summarize long articles or videos by copying the link and pasting it into the chat. For videos, it's important to also copy the title for best results. ChatGPT can even summarize hundreds of pages in seconds, making it a useful tool for quickly understanding large amounts of text. Simply type TL, and Peter, you can put that on the screen, the TLDR, and ask for a summary in 2 sentences. Number 2, Teach Me. ChatGPT can teach you various topics in a detailed and step-by-step manner, such as playing a guitar, learning different languages, and using software like Photoshop. It can also solve math problems and grade homework or projects by explaining why it gave a certain grade. ChatGPT is a convenient and free tool for learning and getting help with various tasks. However, it can be used for unethical purposes if used as dark GPT. Number 3, Doc GPT. ChatGPT can provide detailed exercise plans, meal plans with calorie allowances, and even generate recipes based on the ingredients you have at home. It can help you get fit, healthy, and even accommodate specific dietary restrictions such as allergies and veganism. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT is not a real doctor and should not be used as a substitute for medical advice. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well. Thank you. Number 4, get advice. You can ask ChatGPT for advice on a range of topics, and it provides balanced and reasonable responses that make it seem like you're talking to a professional. Whether you need help dealing with a tricky situation, impressing your in-laws, or responding to a difficult message from a boss or coworker, ChatGPT can provide guidance and even write a response for you. Number 5, scanning. ChatGPT can scan images and describe them, plan a holiday itinerary for you, give recommendations for movies and books, make formal agreements more understandable, and even play games with you. It can also give advice on various topics, including tricky situations and workplace issues. Number 6, playing games. ChatGPT can also be used to play various games such as trivia, text adventure games, and even code a game from scratch. It highlights how asking for trivia questions is easy, and ChatGPT can even make a game for you. It also mentions playing text adventure games like Dungeons and Dragons with ChatGPT, which can create original stories for you. Number 7, better responses. To get better responses from ChatGPT, it is best to ask questions with more details and correct it when it makes a mistake so it can learn from them. Assigning different personas to ChatGPT can also provide different responses, and some personas may even give better responses than others. Number 8, make original content. ChatGPT is capable of creating completely original content, such as writing songs, create Instagram captions, writing speeches, and even generating one-page cover letters for job applications. The options for content creations are unlimited, making it a versatile tool for anyone in need of unique content. Number 9, generate SQL Queries. ChatGPT is a natural language interface that enables users to communicate with databases in simple language. This interface generates SQL queries from the questions users ask in plain English, which is particularly useful for those who are not experienced programmers and find writing SQL queries time-consuming and challenging. SQL is a widely used programming language that is critical for maintaining and manipulating relational databases. Number 10, language translation. ChatGPT's language translation feature can help businesses and organizations to communicate effectively with audiences in different parts of the world. It can assist in reaching out to new clients, expanding reach, and developing partnerships with individuals from various cultures. ChatGPT's multilingual content development capabilities can also help enterprises streamline their content creation process by automatically translating information into different languages, saving time, right? So that's what I have for you today. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button, and see you on the next video.